rescue my heart as darkness rises. I see men fall along the way, but I seek your strength in all my weakness. By my strength I cannot prevail, but you are the way, the truth and life, and in your hands I am sure secured. But you were like me and you made it home. And so I come now without one plea. Teach me to be strong, help me to be close. Tell me when I'm wrong, be my guide. Lead me through the night, keep me focused on you. Help me overcome, lead me on. Teach me to be strong, help me to be close. Tell me when I'm wrong, be my guide. Lead me through the night, keep me focused on you. Help me overcome, lead me on, lead me on, lead me on, Jesus. On this narrow way, the path is fading. Come, Lord Jesus, and light my path. Remove from me this little foxes and every weight, lest I should fall. Let my desires before things above. Present me blameless when you're revealed. Let this same grace that kept the old saints usher me home where I see you. Jesus, teach me to be strong, help me to be close. Tell me when I'm wrong, be my guide. Lead me through the night, keep me focused on you. Help me overcome, lead me on. Teach me to be strong, help me to be close. Tell me when I'm wrong, be my guide. Lead me through the night, keep me focused on you. Help me, Jesus, help me overcome. And when my faith is shaken,